Hi, this is Taylor Adams with Rentals in SF, and I'm the listing agent for this property. I've prepared a detailed video tour for you to take a look at that I think you'll find helpful. Before booking an appointment, please also remember to review the key terms on our website. Please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, as it really does help, and you'll see all new listings pop up here first. Without any further ado, let's get into it.
Okay, excellent. We are zooming into the outer Richmond neighborhood, and this is going to be on the west coast, right here on Great Highway, and just a fantastic, gorgeous, lovely location, particularly for anybody who loves nature. And look at this. We're right here at the edge of Golden Gate Park, Land's End. This is your actual view. What a spectacular, spectacular ocean beach directly in front of you. Waves, surfers, kite surfers. This is the penthouse unit. Top 2 floors are yours, front facing, direct view. This is really super fantastic. This is your chance to live on the beach and just enjoy all the beachiness of it. Okay, there are 3 units in this condominium, and this is the front entrance. Let's go ahead and zip up the stairs. This is going to be located on the 3rd floor. Okay, here we are, unit number 3. Let's go ahead and walk right in. Immediately, you're going to notice that it's a light and bright unit. Even without the lights, it has tremendous amount of windows and just a lot of great natural light. And let's just go ahead and, without any further ado, let's go straight to the living room. Large, large, oversized living room. Direct ocean view. Just absolutely fantastic. 24 feet by 14 feet. And just keep in mind that is a decorative fireplace. I suggest putting some flameless candles in it. They'll kick on automatically for 5 hours each night. Set a beautiful ambiance. Gorgeous big modern kitchen. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Just back to the living room. This view is going to be wonderful. You're going to get sunsets. You're going to get morning sun. You're going to get all kind of just stunning, stunning views. Okay. And just another sweep from this window. And volleyball players. Sometimes on the weekends, you'll see campfires. Just stunning. And all kind of surfing and just beautiful outdoor sports. Okay. Big, gorgeous, modern kitchen, marble-clad backsplash, solid surface countertops. Room for a bistro style or breakfast table right there. Dishwasher, of course. This is the landing, and there is a coat closet right here. And we also have a half bath right here. Okay, nice large landing greets you right when you walk up this set of stairs with a skylight. There's a few skylights on this level, and this is a light well. Big laundry room, washer, dryer, sink, and a little bit of a folding table right there. Light and bright laundry room. Okay, this is the primary bedroom, front facing. It's split into 2 pieces. I suggest the bed go in the south portion. Oh, gorgeous view. And here is the north nook portion, perfect for a desk or sitting area. I'd say chairs, swivel chairs. You want to be looking out the ocean. So probably a reading room or a sitting room would probably be most appropriate for this space right here. Could be a work from home situation if you want to enjoy the view. It has an ensuite restroom, typical in primary bedrooms. Skylight. Big walk-in closet. Walk-in shower and a jacuzzi tub. Here is that landing we looked at. And then we have a full restroom. And there are 3 very large bedrooms here in the back. Okay, that was 3 large bedrooms and a front-facing bedroom. So that's 4 bedrooms on this level. By the way, this staircase goes to the roof. It's an emergency exit only, but unfortunately there is no roof deck. It's just for emergencies. So that's where those stairs go. Okay, that is the unit. Pretty fantastic. Let's take a look. Now, there is a 1-car parking included in the garage. And then you get a permit for a private street parking. But this is the way you get into the garage. And then you roll right in and see where that car is right there in front of us on the right. That's going to be the parking spot. There will be a car behind, but you can zigzag around it, no problem. And then plenty of storage for bikes, razor scooters, little outdoorsy things in this garage right here. So you have car parking, plus you have storage for some bicycles and maybe a surfboard, things like that. There's also a shared backyard. Keep in mind there's 3 units in the building, so only 3 people share this little backyard. Really quite lovely little space. And let's just take a look at the exterior, the rear of the building. Okay, and once again, here is the absolute fantastic view. You can see volleyball players, ocean, great beach. It's just enormous. So it's just a tremendous amount of sand and surf, and just goes on and on.
Pretty fantastic, right? Okay, well, that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our website for all up-to-date information on this listing and many, many more. Please smash the like button, and I wish you all the success in your home search. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.